everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing my standard deep conditioning treatment. So I washed my hair on Saturday, back up, and Friday before I wash my hair I spritz it with a little bit of apple cider aloe vera mix, and then I put butter, a butter mix on it that includes like coconut oil and olive oil. Spritz it with the spritz, and I put the butter on it and I leave it overnight, and then I run around on Saturday with the oil and the butter in my hair and the aloe vera, and then when I get ready to wash it I use my deep conditioning. So what I do is I section my hair into 4 and I wash it in 4 sections, and normally my hair goes back to, it remembers where I parted because I always put it in 4. So I section it off in 4 first, and then I use my deep condition mix. My standard deep condition mix is henna, a henna mix and Ayurveda herbs, and then I mix in my deep conditioner. So any store-bought deep conditioner, cheap conditioner, and it's basically a henna gloss. And I deep condition my hair before I wash my hair. Then I go in and I wash it off. It's fairly runny, and if it's really runny, sometimes I put it in an applicator bottle. In this case, instead of putting it in an applicator bottle, I'm just gonna use a brush and I'm just gonna put it on my hair. So because it's so messy and it stains because it has henna in there, I am putting on a cape, and hopefully I won't cause a mess. Super drippy. This is the point where sometimes it's so runny, my mixture, and I don't want to add any more powder, herb powder. Sometimes I just pour it into an applicator bottle just to apply it. But if it's like a thicker mix that I'm making, I just eyeball it and just use a brush to apply it. And this mix is right in the middle. It's super runny that I could have used an applicator bottle, but the thing is, if it's too thick, sometimes it's so difficult to get it out of the applicator bottle, and so it's like a call. Because this setup is not ideal, I'm gonna just show you how I apply it onto one section, and then I will come back and show you when it's applied to all the section. Okay. And my conditioners usually are slippery, that I let it sit, and this is how I can easily detangle my strand, because they just get detangled so much more easier because this conditioner, I finger detangle so easy on the deep conditioner, because the conditioner that I tend to use I put a lot of oils and a lot of butter in there, so it makes like finger detangling the strands easy. So after I let this sit and absorb in my hair, then this is definitely not meant to be done outside the bathroom. So there it is. One side of my hair is has the deep conditioner on, my DIY deep conditioner. I will show you guys in another video how I make it, and there it goes. I can detangle and comb right now, but I never do. I only comb my hair when I'm under running water, the water is on my hair, and I can go through with the running water and go like this. Because as I said in previous video, when my hair has oils and a lot of oils and butter on it, like you can see how oily my hand is. So I've pre-pooed with oil and butter, and my mix has oil and butter. So once I pre-poo with oil and butter, the strands, and I leave it under a cap to stay, the strands easily pull apart again. So that's what I do is I wait. It's very thin strands and they break very easily. So instead of me doing this, I wait, I let it sit, let it marinate with the deep conditioner on. Like you see, I leave it, let it sit with the deep conditioner on, sometimes 3-4 hours. So when I come back to show you guys what it looked like, could be 3, 5, 6 hours later, because the henna is part of the mix, and the herbs, I want it to sit on my hair for as long as possible. Everyone, I am back to show what my hair looks like with all the my deep conditioner in. So I've put it in all 4 sections. This is the almost empty bowl. You can see what my hair looks like with it all down. So that's one. And then so last part, I'm here to show you, even though I put all of the oil and butter in my deep conditioner, this is my hair. It's all the oils and butter is gone. It's soft, it's fluffy. So this is my hair after washing. I am going, oh look, there's a shed here on the end. Oh God, I can't even find it. I am going to go moisturize my hair, but that's my hair. Shed here I got, oh, see these little circles? I already showed you in my first video. I let couple of these things dry and I show you my hair type. Oh look, it's even on me. They're all over my apartment. This is my hair. Hope you guys can see it, and another wash day. Thank you guys, and take care of yourself. Until next time.